I am in my desktop and now I want to search this PC icon. So I'm pressing T.
The do.txt 7 Thunderbird 6 of the do.txt Thunderbird 6 the do.txt Thunderbird 6 of 28.
Oh, this PC icon is not there. What happened? How can I search for this? How can I get my this PC icon in my desktop? Hi guys, if you're facing the same issue with your desktop, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can unhide your this PC icon in your desktop. Ratul this side from Accessible Computing. Let's jump into the video. To unhide your this PC icon, you need to do few steps. First, you need to go to your desktop by pressing Windows plus D. Then press Ctrl plus spacebar to unselect an item.
Select not selected. Not selected.
Press Application.
Pop-up window. View collapsed V1 of 8. View collapsed V.
Now use down arrow until you find the option called
Sort by refresh from new collapse display set personalize R6 of 8.
Personalize. Press Enter on it.
Settings. Settings window. Search box. Find the setting.
Press Tab.
Personalization 4 of 11 level 1.
Again.
Personalization button 1 of 1. List. Windows. Dark. 1 images not selected 1
Again.
of list. Background 1 of not rattle pass accurate search box. Personalization 4 of 11 level. Personalization button 1 of 1. List. Window list. Background 1 of 9.
So there are 9 options. Here you need to choose theme. You can use your down arrow.
Colors 2 of 9. Themes 3 of 9.
Press Enter here.
Themes. Current theme grouping. Show all settings button expand.
Press Tab.
List. Windows. Light. 1 images not selected 1 of 7.
Press Tab.
Get more themes from Microsoft Store. Related settings grouping. Desktop icon settings grouping. Open button.
So press Enter here.
Desktop icon settings dialog. Desktop icons property page. Desktop icons grouping. Computer checkbox not checked. Alt plus M.
So by default this computer icon is not checked in my system. So I just need to check this box checked.
Checked.
Press Tab.
Desktop icons list. Change icon button. Restore default button. Alt allow themes to change. Desktop OK button.
So now click on OK button.
Press settings. Settings window.
Done. Come back to my desktop.
Folder view this PC 2 of 29.
Now this PC icon is in my desktop. Wow, problem solved. If you're using Windows 10, instead of going to theme options, you will directly find the desktop icon options under personalization. So try it on your own and let me know if you have any queries or doubts into the comment section. If you find this content useful, don't forget to share this video with your friends, and if you first time visit this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.